Welcome to our channel, the hub of innovation, tech, and the future of finance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our deep dives into the world of digital transformations. We've got a wealth of content exploring the cutting edge of technology, and today we're focusing on something that touches our lives every single day: banking and financial transactions. From your morning coffee purchase to your monthly bills, how we move money is evolving at a breakneck pace. So buckle up and let's journey together into the future of banking. Stay tuned and don't forget to check out our other videos on similar topics. Now, let's dive into the world of digital banking, cryptocurrencies, and telecom payment systems. Welcome to the future of finance. Have you ever wondered how the future of banking and transactions might look like? As we step into the digital age, banking as we know it is undergoing a seismic shift. Picture this: no more long lines at the bank or painstakingly filling out forms. Instead, our financial transactions are becoming as easy as a few taps on our smartphones. The evolution of banking has been remarkable, to say the least. From the traditional brick-and-mortar banks, we've moved to digital banking, a revolution that's not just about convenience, but also about financial inclusion. But the journey doesn't end here. On the horizon, we see potential game changers, cryptocurrencies promising a world where transactions are not just digital, but decentralized, and telecom payment systems that could further democratize access to financial services. So what exactly does the future hold for banking and transactions? Let's delve deeper into this exciting topic. Cryptocurrencies, a term we hear so often, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're decentralized, operating on technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers, or nodes. Here's how it works. When a transaction is made, it gets grouped together in a block with other transactions that have occurred in the last 10 minutes and sent out to the entire network. Nodes then validate the transactions within the block, and once verified, the block is added to the chain. This chain of blocks is a public, transparent record of all transactions in a cryptocurrency's history. But why does this matter? Well, cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the banking industry. They offer the promise of lower transaction fees than traditional online payment systems, and unlike government-issued currencies, they are operated by a decentralized authority. Let's talk about some pros and cons. On the upside, cryptocurrencies can make transferring funds between two parties easier. Transactions don't need a trusted third-party institution, and users can remain anonymous. They also offer access to financial services to people who are unbanked or underbanked. However, there are also downsides. Cryptocurrencies can be used for illicit activities due to their anonymity. They're also highly volatile, with the value of a cryptocurrency capable of skyrocketing or plummeting in a matter of hours. Plus, since cryptocurrencies are still relatively new, they're not accepted everywhere. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital assets. They're an innovative technology that could change how we think about money and banking. They have the potential to create a more inclusive financial system where people can access and move money more easily than ever before. Despite the challenges they face, cryptocurrencies are an exciting development in the world of finance. They're forcing us to rethink how we do banking and transactions, and they just might be the future of these industries. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital assets, they are potentially the future of banking and transactions. Now let's switch gears and talk about telecom payment systems. Imagine a world where you can send money to your friend, pay for groceries, or even settle your utility bills, all with just a few taps on your mobile phone. This isn't a distant future we're talking about, but a reality made possible by telecom payment systems. But what exactly are these systems? Simply put, telecom payment systems are services provided by telecommunications companies that allow you to conduct financial transactions through your mobile device. They leverage the infrastructure of mobile networks to offer a fast, secure, and convenient way to manage your money. One of the key benefits of these systems is their speed. In the time it takes to open a banking app, log in, and navigate to the right page, a telecom payment system could have already processed your transaction. It's like having a cash register in your pocket, ready to ring up purchases at a moment's notice. But it's not just about speed. Telecom payment systems also bring an unparalleled level of convenience. No longer do you need to carry around a bulky wallet filled with cards and cash. Instead, your financial power is condensed into the device you carry with you everywhere, your mobile phone. Yet, like any technology, telecom payment systems are not without their challenges. Security is a critical concern. After all, if your phone is lost or stolen, you wouldn't want your hard-earned money to fall into the wrong hands. But fear not. Telecom companies are constantly working to improve security measures, implementing features like biometric authentication and encryption to protect your funds. Furthermore, there's the issue of accessibility. Not everyone has a smartphone or reliable internet access, but solutions are on the horizon. Telecom companies are exploring options like USSD codes, which can offer basic banking services even on feature phones without internet connectivity. Telecom payment systems, another groundbreaking technology that could redefine the future of banking and transactions. They're not just a tantalizing glimpse into the future. They're here, they're now, and they're ready to change the way we handle money for good. Telecom payment systems, another groundbreaking technology that could redefine the future of banking and transactions. So, what does all this mean for the future of transactions and payment systems? Well, the convergence of various technologies is setting the stage for a revolution in the way we handle money. Cryptocurrencies and telecom payment systems are at the forefront of this change, promising to redefine banking and transactions as we know them. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized nature, bring a new level of security and transparency to transactions. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, thus reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This could be particularly beneficial for international transactions, where traditional systems are often slow and expensive. However, the volatility of cryptocurrencies and the lack of regulation pose significant risks. It's a double-edged sword, one that requires careful handling. On the other hand, telecom payment systems leverage the ubiquity of mobile devices to make banking more accessible. They enable people without access to traditional banking services to participate in the financial system. This could have a transformative impact on developing economies, where a large segment of the population remains unbanked. But these systems also raise concerns about privacy and data security. It's a delicate balance between convenience and security. What does this mean for consumers and businesses? Well, the future of transactions could be faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Imagine sending money across the globe in seconds with minimal fees, or accessing banking services from the comfort of your home without needing to visit a physical branch. But it also means that consumers and businesses will need to navigate a complex landscape of new technologies and regulations. Moreover, the shift towards digital transactions could have profound societal implications. It could reshape economies, change the nature of jobs, and even redefine our concept of money. We're on the precipice of a brave new world, one that is both exciting and uncertain. In conclusion, the future of banking and transactions is bright, with technologies like cryptocurrencies and telecom payment systems paving the way for a more efficient and convenient banking experience. Yet, as with any major shift, it comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. It's a journey, and we're all in it together. The future of banking and transactions is bright, with technologies like cryptocurrencies and telecom payment systems paving the way for a more efficient and convenient banking experience. Indeed, the future of banking and transactions is exciting and full of possibilities. We've traveled through the potential of cryptocurrencies, glimpsed into the future of telecom payment systems, and dived deep into the evolution of transactions. These advancements are not just transforming the banking industry, they're revolutionizing it. As we look forward to this promising future, one thing is clear. The way we bank and transact is set to change dramatically. Are you ready for the revolution?